Hi, this is Elizabeth, WTI, and if you're looking for an extra big hands to help in your garden or around the yard to pick up leaves, pine needles, or any sort of mess that you have, then you're going to check out these claw hands from Brookstone.
What makes these hand tools effective is that they're both lightweight and durable. So they're lightweight and be able to move around, to be able to easily use on your hand. You just stick your hands right in and it gives you a larger surface area of picking up items. The edges around them have a ridged edge, but they're very sturdy, so even if you need to do a little bit of raking, a little bit of clawing at the ground, it's going to keep its structure. Most of the time I will already use a rake to make piles, but then I will use the scooper hands to then pick them up. Most of the time when you're using your hands or another type of rake, you're always dropping things down. You can't have a good grip. You're not able to pick up all of this in one scoop. Having these oversized giant hands make it easy to pick up all of the debris in your yard. You don't have to get your hands dirty. You don't have to be reaching around in things if that freaks you out. And also the fact that they are super durable. Picking up your leaves and debris from your house just got a little bit easier with these. And that's my point of view.